Assalamu alaikum dear student. How are you all? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Nasima Akhtar, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take a general science class for class 2 student. Dear student, our today's topic is true, false and matching. So let's start today's class. At first we will do one number. State whether the following sentences are true or false. One number. Animals such as tiger eat both plants and animal. No, this statement is false. So we will write here false. Dear student, you only write true or false. Okay. 2 number. Crows clean up our surrounding. Yes, this statement is true. Then we will write true. 3 number. Amphibians live only in water. No, this statement is false. Amphibians live in both water and land. So we will write here false. 4 number. Lions live in burrows. This statement is also false. So we will write here false. Because we know rabbit live in burrows. The next one is 5 number. We get milk from ducks. No, this statement is false. We will write false. We get egg from ducks. 6 number. Curd is a milk product. Yes, this statement is true. We will write here true. 7 number. Birds build nests to lay eggs. Yes, this statement is true. So we will write here true. 8 number. Silk is made from sheep. No, this statement is false. Silk is made from silkworm. So we will write here false. 9 number. We have 4 sense organs. No, this statement is also false. We have 5 sense organs. So we will write here false. Number 10. The bones in our chest is the ribs. Yes, this statement is true. So we will write here true. Number 9. We have 4 sense organs. This statement is false. We have 5 sense organs. So we will write here false. Number 10. The bones in our chest is the ribs. This statement is true. We will write here true. Number 11. We sweat when we exercise. Yes, this statement is true. We will write here true. 12 number. The meal we have at night is lunch. No, this statement is false. We will write here false. Number 13. Junk food have fat and sugar in them. Yes, this statement is true. We will write here true. 14 number. We get medicines from animals. This statement is false. We get medicines from plants. So we will write here false. 15 number. Man-made products are made with the help of natural resources. Yes, this statement is true. So we will write here true. Dear student, our next topic is matching the following. You can do this matching in 2 ways. One number way is you can match from column A to column B. And here is another way. I will show you how will you write this matching in your exam copy. Number A. Raccoons. Raccoons will match with 5 number, plant and meat eating animal. So you can pick up the whole box and you can match like this, or you can write like this, A plus V, then write the word raccoon plus plant and meat eating animal. Okay. Now B number, buzzards. Buzzards will be matched with 3 number, dead meat eating animal. So you can match with this and write this way, B plus 3 number and write the word buzzard plus dead meat eating animal. Okay. Next one, zebra. Zebra will match with plant eating. Zebra is plant eating animal. So we will match here and you can write C plus 4 number. We will write the word zebra plus plant eating animal. Number D, penguin. Penguin will match with 2 number. Penguin live on land and in water. So we will write like this, D plus 2 number and the word will penguin. Penguins plus live on land and in water. Okay, last one, E number, octopuses is aquatic animal. That means it will match with 1 number. So we will write here E plus 1 number, word will octopus plus aquatic animal. So that's it. Dear student, number 2 process is much easier. You can write like this way. So dear student, I hope you have understood today's topic. Practicing at home, and your SW will be this matching. Your SW is this matching. Okay, do your SW in your SW copy and you submit your SW copy on Monday, every Sunday, and you can collect your previous SW same day. So dear student, I hope you have understood today's topic. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.